What's up, Fingerlings fans? Toy Insanity here. And WowWee has finally given us the next Untamed fingerlings. These are the dire wolves. I thought they might call them dire wolves. I thought they might also call them saber wolves. I think that would have been cool. I think dire wolves kind of been branded to Game of Thrones. But, you know, maybe that's an even better reason to call them dire wolves on these packagings. Let me see if I can run through. What have they done so far in the Untamed series? We got the initial 4 Raptors. We got the next wave of 4 Raptors. And then we got 4 T-Rexes. That's 12. We got the T-Rex in the carry case, the breakout cage. And that's where the artwork was first shown for the next batch. So that's 13. 2 saber-toothed cats. That's 14, 15. The 2 bone dinos. 16, 17. This is number 18 and 19. We got Blizzard and Midnight. Wolves. My name is Blizzard, and I have ice in my veins. And this is Midnight. My name is Midnight, and the nighttime is the right time to howl. Blizzard and Midnight. What do you think of Midnight? It's got a scrape on his right eye and a little bit of design on his back. All right. Blizzard. It's got the same scrape on the same eye. The claws are the same, the teeth are the same. The little nick in his right ear and the scrape on the right eye, they're the exact same mold. Usually they vary the sculpt ever so slightly. They'll give one a scar that the other one doesn't have. They'll give him a little bit longer canine teeth or longer claws or something. Really surprised these are exactly the same. You guys shut off? I think I like Blizzard a little bit better. I don't know. I don't know. Wonder if they're wrapping up these untamed fingerlings. If they're not, let's think about what they might do next. I think they could do a Triceratops. Maybe they could do like a Bigfoot or a swamp monster. They could do a dragon. I know they've done a dragon in like the girlier type. They could do like a fierce... I don't know. I mean, you could really repaint and repack those other dragons, but maybe they do a new dragon sculpt. I don't know. The way there wasn't a lot of attention paid to details on these two, and the fact that it took a really long time for these two to come out. I thought all 6 of the new ones that were shown on the packaging for the T-Rex, that came, his name was Infrared, he came with the breakout cage. It showed the 2 bone dinos, the 2 saber wolves, or dire wolves, and the 2 saber-tooth tigers. I thought those would all drop before Christmas, but it took until mid-January to get these out. Total of 19. We might be done. I don't know. I think my favorite ones overall is Doom and Gloom, the glow-in-the-dark bone dinos. Maybe they'll do a bone wolf and a bone cat. And they've introduced the butt heads, which is a, check out my video. It's a whole different line of toys. But some, you could say, analogous functionality, and that could be what they're introducing in the boys' toy side of things instead of untamed fingerlings. I don't know, I hope they do at least 12 butt heads. I'm really interested in those, but I do hope they continue untamed fingerlings as well. I think these are cool. He's got this little wolf symbol down here, like the raptors and the T-Rex, everything had a certain symbol. I'm a fan. I'd like to see more. But at least, I can say at least if they're not going to make more, they did at least finish making everything they showed on packaging. So it would have been worse if they put these on the illustration and then, on the checklist, and then they never did actually come out. Boop, 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 boop. Alright, guys. Wrap it up. Lizard, Midnight, the dire wolves from Wowie, and Untamed, the ferocious fingerlings. Twin Sanity, I collect it so you don't have to. I'll see you real soon with some more interesting toys. Take care.